Roses are red, violets are blue. We love our moms and we know you do too. Can you guys guess what today's video is all about? Keep watching and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary. And this is my buddy Matt. We're just a bunch of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. So while getting 8 packages a day delivered from Amazon sounds like a lot of fun, things started to get a little crowded here in Matt's garage. All we ask is for you to get involved. Like the video, comment on the products you'd like to win, subscribe to Review to You with notifications enabled so that we can let you know each week when the winners are announced. Okay, back to today's Mother's Day special, where instead of one product review and giveaway, we're gonna do 3, all for Mom. First up, it's the Mural Smart Wi-Fi Digital Photo Frame. Polaroids, they're so 80s, and digital prints are so 2000 and late. Use your handy smartphone to easily upload, crop, and share treasured family photos so Mom can choose a different memory for every day of the week. So what do we like about the Mural Smart Wi-Fi Digital Photo Frame? The Mural app is super easy to use and even lets you upload up to 15 seconds of video to create moving pictures of that day at the beach or a grandchild blowing out the birthday candles. You can even organize and set up a schedule to change the images over automatically. The photo quality is great, and for the most part, the resolution is retained from the native smartphone to the digital photo frame. The fact that it automatically detects orientation to display in either portrait or landscape is also a nice touch. So what's the downside? Well, we don't recommend uploading more than 15 to 20 photos, as we made the mistake of trying to drop 1,500 images from our smartphone gallery and crashed the app. The activation sensor is a bit hit and miss. Sometimes it works first go. Other times we had to wave our hand in front for a few minutes like a bird flapping its wings. It's also a bit bigger than we thought. So if you're thinking of getting the Mural Smart Wi-Fi Digital Photo Frame, make sure you have the room on your mantelpiece. Next up, it's the Echo Show 8 HD Alexa Smart Display. It's nice to have a voice-activated Alexa in your home. And it seems the only thing it's been missing is a tablet screen. The Echo Show 8 HD Alexa Smart Display is more than just a visual device to show if you've put eggs, bread, and milk on the shopping list. It does so much more, and is a proper tablet in its own right. As you can guess from the name, it has an 8-inch display which is big enough to view everything you want on your screen without taking up too much real estate on your kitchen counter. So what do we like about the Echo Show 8 HD Alexa Smart Display? This is a big one. The price. You'd be hard-pressed to find a tablet under $200, especially one of this quality. Smart displays have been flooding the market, but with this unit, it's not a case of you get what you pay for, but more of a case of best bang for the buck. The setup is insanely easy. All you need to do is pair the Echo Show 8 HD Alexa Smart Display to your Wi-Fi network, and your Alexa Home Assistant will immediately pick it up and join by itself. No additional phone app needed, so less clutter on your smartphone. The resolution is an impressive 1280 by 800 pixels, complete with a 1 megapixel forward-facing camera, so you can still maintain that solid kitchen cooking selfie game. If you don't want Alexa to overhear your conversations and make wild, out-there recommendations, there's a switch located on the top left side to turn off the eavesdropping. The screen itself is quite touch-sensitive and responsive, with little to no lag when entering in data or flicking to another function. Stereo speakers mean you won't have to blast tunes over your home audio system. You can localize the music to just the room the Echo Show 8 HD Alexa smart display is located in. Video streaming is also available via the native Amazon Prime service, which is handy if you like to watch a little something in the background while you're working away on tonight's dinner. Smart home integration's also there, and the Echo Show 8 HD Alexa smart display can be used to set up, control, and manage the Philips Hue Wi-Fi lighting system if you have it installed. So, what's the downside? No YouTube and no Netflix. Being an Amazon product, support for other third-party streaming services is noticeably absent, which sucks if you want to view an online recipe video or tune into your favorite show. That isn't on Prime, that is. Though you can turn off the Alexa microphone, there is nowhere in the settings to turn off the on-screen suggestions. Another minor critique is that there's no oversized clock and calendar display on the locking home screen, which would be nice, as every other smartphone and tablet has this function. And finally, since you know your mom better than we do, cash. Let mom decide what she wants. It's an Amazon.com $100 gift card. Treat your mother. After all, she's earned it. There's really no pros or cons to this review. It's simple. Mom can choose her present this year instead of getting that new mixing bowl or a bunch of flowers like she did last year. Being a son or daughter, done right. So, what's the verdict? The Amazon.com gift card? A no-brainer. Go for it. The Mural Smart Wi-Fi digital photo frame? A great bit of gear, but not without its flaws. The Echo Show 8 HD Alexa smart display? Absolutely awesome for the price, and we hope that a few of the omissions to the range of apps and functions are addressed in future models. We give the Amazon.com gift card of $100 5 stars. The Mural Smart Wi-Fi digital photo frame, 3.5 stars. And the Echo Show 8 HD Alexa smart display, 4.5 stars. We're sure any of these products would make a great Mother's Day gift. And these amazing products and cash could be yours. We'll be giving each one away to one lucky subscriber. The rules for this giveaway are a bit different, so now would be a good time to stop multitasking. Although we are giving away 3 amazing products for Mom, you can only enter to win one of them. So choose your hashtag carefully. To enter to win any of these amazing products, the rules are very simple. Just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hashtag that relates to the prize you want to win for Mom. That's cash for the gift card, photo frame for the smart Wi-Fi digital frame, and Alexa for the Echo Smart display. Just use the hashtag you think Mom will like best for Mother's Day in a comment below. Putting multiple hashtags in one comment or submitting multiple comments with hashtags will disqualify your entry. Do remember, 1 hashtag per person. We'll then select our 3 winners at random and announce the winners exactly a week from now, just in time for Mother's Day on the 9th. Good luck! If you liked what you saw today and can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase links in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.